बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड। आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी कि आप अपने छोटे बहन भाइयों को या आप पेरेंट्स हैं तो आप अपने बच्चों को कैसे सिखा सकते हैं इंग्लिश में कि आप झूठ ना बोलें, नेवर लाई, कभी झूठ मत बोलें। तो अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इब्राहिम टीवी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे लगा दीजिएगा इसी तरह के मोर इंग्लिश वीडियोज़ के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नेवर लाई। Adam has learned from his friends that lying is the easiest way out of any situation. So he became fond of lying and enjoyed telling small lies. When his parents scoffed him and warned him against telling lies, he struggled them off, saying lies never harm anyone. Adam's father decided to explain to him why lying is bad. Never lie. One evening, Adam and his father were walking down the street with some groceries. Just then, they saw a car rammed into a bookstore. Adam's father asked a man what happened, and he replied the car driver lied to his father that he could see without spectacles. They both were in the car when the accident happened. The father is seriously hurt. I am sure the boy regrets ever lying. Adam's father looked at Adam and said, "See, Adam, a lie is so dangerous. It can hurt people." Adam realized that the huge cost of a lie and stopped lying. तो ये था फ्रेंड आज का हमारा लेसन। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करें, चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।